Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from your Trustwallet into your Coinbase account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. And let's get right into the video. First step is you want to go on Coinbase and you want to go on where it says send and receive. Once you go on send and receive, you want to go on this receive section. Once you go on this receive section, basically you want to choose Dogecoin from assets. So I'm going to click on assets and I'm going to search for Dogecoin and click on Dogecoin. After I click on Dogecoin, it's going to give me the wallet address of Dogecoin and I want to copy this wallet address. Now remember, when you're copying the wallet address, even if a single digit or like a single number is misplaced over here, basically it's going to be sent to the wrong wallet, which means your Dogecoin is going to be lost. So be sure to copy the correct wallet address. And don't copy other wallet address like of Bitcoin when you're sending Dogecoin. You want to copy the wallet address of Dogecoin when you're sending Dogecoin, alright? Because if you copy the wrong wallet address or like address of another crypto, then basically our crypto is going to be lost. So you want to copy the Dogecoin's wallet address because we are sending Dogecoin, and you want to go to Trustwallet, you want to click on Dogecoin. Once you click on Dogecoin, you want to click on send. Once you go on send, you want to paste the wallet address over here and you want to enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Let's say I want to send 45, euros worth of Dogecoin, and after doing that, I want to click on done. In another word, continue, and after doing that, it's gonna ask me to confirm my transaction. I need to click on this button over here, but since I do not have insufficient, Dogecoin in my account, it's showing me insufficient Dogecoin. But if I had Dogecoin in my account, there would be like a transaction button or like confirm transaction button over here, and I could have clicked it and it would be sent to my Coinbase. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send your Dogecoin from Trustwallet to Coinbase. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. And do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and use our referral link in the description to sign up into Coinbase to get free $10. So see you guys in a bit.